Hey, Dylan from Throttle Company here, Columbus, Ohio. We're putting together a very special kit from Moto Guzzi. It's a V7 Café racer kit. It's called the Sketch Kit. So this kit comes pre-painted from Moto Guzzi. It's kind of hidden in the catalog. They call it the Sketch Bike Kit, and there are 3 different colors. And this is Green Forest for obvious reasons. So basically you just wind up replacing a bunch of body panels. So it's the seat, the cowl you can see there, the side panels. The seat has a cowl and it's actually a different seat. So it's called the solo seat. This is kind of similar to a bike Moto Guzzi does right now called the Corsa, the like cafe racer. Corsa means race in Italian. The side panels come complete. You just have to swap out the lock. You do have to buy bar and mirrors separately. It's a standard Moto Guzzi part. We actually put them on a lot of bikes. They come standard on some, but not the Stone, which is what this bike is based on. There you can see me flipping the mirror mounts. That's a little trick to kind of, so you don't have the exposed threads on top. Makes it look a little cleaner. I honestly think Moto Guzzi has the best bar and mirrors that I've seen of any sort of OEM. The front fairing, the cowl, is not an easy part to replace. It's a lot of little fiddly bits and deciding what order to put things back on. I would say this part took just as long as everything else. But totally worth it. So this bike is actually for sale. I'm going to do a in the loop, which is where I take it, test ride it, tell you what it's like to ride it around our test track. And so look out for that video coming up soon. But this one is for sale. It's basically just the same cost as a V7 Stone would be, plus the cost of the kit. We have it right now in the shop. It's very cool. You can come check it out yourself. So there it is, V7 Cafe Kit, Forest Green. It's beautiful. I hope it comes across on video. It's a cool gloss green. There's 3 colors. I picked this one because I thought it was the most unique. I'm not sure you'll ever see anything like this. We told Piaggio, the parent company for Moto Guzzi, that we were doing this, and they were like, "Oh, that's so cool. No one's ever done one." So as far as I know, this is one of one. They make this kit, but I've never heard of anyone else making it.